the garden. Miss Jessica here for unboxing of our Wonderkit 2. We've got lots of exciting things to show you guys in our second kit. We actually have two kind of themes and experiments, so let's open our box and see what's inside. So you guys will notice that Wonderkit 2 has a little bit different sticker, but then it's also going to have a 2 on the top. So just make sure you're opening Wonderkit 2. And then inside our box we have lots of exciting things. Probably the first thing that you guys will notice is a magnifying glass, and you guys can use this for lots of things at home, but we're going to try to use it quite a bit with our next two experiments. It also has a little lanyard. That's what this black thing is. So when you open it up, there's a little hole and you can put the lanyard through if you want to carry it around your wrist or hook it on your clipboard. In here we also have one of these cool things. This is called a pipette. This is how we're going to be measuring water for our one of our experiments. We have some cotton balls. Those are important. We have 3 small baggies. You will probably recognize these from Wonderkit 1. They're the same type of baggies, but we're going to be doing an experiment with popcorn in these. So you have 1 bag with 6 popcorn seeds and then 2 empty bags. We also included in your kit this time for Wonderkit 2 a map of the MSU horticulture gardens. So if you guys head over this way, want to visit the Arboretum or come to the children's garden or any of the other gardens, there's a map included. So that's pretty cool that you guys have that. We also have our tree tour guide. We're going to be using this in the next month or so, doing some leaf collection and learning a little bit about different Michigan trees and different things. So this is your tree tour guide. And then we also included a tree botany guide, so leaf shape and venation, different things. And then we have on the back a little bit about leaf arrangement and leaf type. So we'll kind of be talking a little bit more about these things. It'll make more sense too when you open up your tree tour guide, but that's what's going to be in Wonderkit 2. And just remember, if you are missing something in your box, try to improvise, try to just find something in your house. These things will also be available online, like the tree tour guide and this margin and shape guide. So just take a look for those things on there too if you're missing something. But that's Wonderkit 2. Excited to get started. Bye guys.